Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And first of all, I want to thank everyone who sent a video for Zian's birthday. It made his day really special. He was enjoying those videos sitting with us. It almost made us emotional. So again, thank you everyone. We really appreciate it. So in this particular video, we're just trying to compile all those videos which we have received from everyone who made Zian's birthday even more special. So that you can also have a look that how many people love Zian. We are glad that so many videos came in.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So आज है Zian का birthday and today I'm going to post a video wherein I'm showing the beautiful messages that you guys have sent in. Thank you so much. We are really grateful for all the effort that you guys have put in for sending those beautiful messages, and Zian really loved watching all of those. So without wasting any time, let's just go and watch the video first.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Hi guys, I'm John. It's for you. What's up? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. John is my brother. मैं खड़ा हूँ. तू छोटा है.
ऐसी कहाँ रहती है?
US.
आप यूएस जाओगे तो आप ज़ियान के साथ कहाँ जाओगे?
बायो बैनो चक्कर में मत जाओ. मैं बहुत उदास. Love you. Come to India soon. A gift for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Zian. Happy birthday to you. Hello Zian beta, namaste. Many happy returns of the day from Dada Dadi, and wish you very happy birthday. Hope you like the gifts you are getting on your birthday and you have a lot of fun, and we pray to God for your good health and happiness, and we hope to see you soon with lots of love from us in India. See you soon. Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Hi Zian, happy birthday to you.
जन्मदिन दिया बहुत बहुत मुबारक.
It's your third birthday and we wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you will celebrate and enjoy with mom and dad.
आप हर टाइम मन की बातें हमें बताते रहो वीडियो में.
और मोदी
हम
जी
आप
से भी
देख
समझते
के
रहो.
हाँ मोदी के साथ आपको मिलाएं. कल को आप भी मोदी बनो.
और
बहुत
आपको हमने एक गिफ्ट भेजा था, बेटा तेरे को मिल गया होगा, कैसा लगा वो? और बस खुश रहो.
चंगा सी
जो तू वीडियो बनाता है बहुत अच्छी लगती है, और तू और से ज़्यादा बना ताकि हम यहाँ पे बैठ के उसको देख के खुश हो सकें. और तुझे बहुत सारा प्यार, ढेर सारा जय माता. चंगा फिर वधिया.
Hi Zian. Happy birthday. Enjoy
Hi Ziyu, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Ziyan. Happy birthday to you. Kama loves you. और मैंने आपके बर्थडे के लिए केक बनाया है, चॉकलेट केक. आई होप ममा आपको बहुत सारे प्रेजेंट्स देगी आज. हगी 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 जियान, लव यू.
हेलो जियान, विशिंग यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. क्या कर रहे हो आप? बर्थडे पार्टी कर रहे हो? हम आपकी बर्थडे पार्टी घर पे ही कर रहे हैं. आपको याद है ना, मैं आपकी दादी हूँ. I'm your दादी. I'm your दादी. I'm your दादी. वाह वाह जियान, तूने तो मुझे दादी बना दिया. I love you. You're such a cutie pie. आपको हम बहुत मिस करते हैं. मन करता है आपकी वीडियो देख के आपको जोर से हग कर लें और खूब सारी किसेस करें. Miss you. Come and meet us soon. Bye.
Hi Ziyan, wish you a very happy birthday. Boss, what nice videos you make. We watch at least one video every day. आपके वीडियो तो आए नहीं पड़े देर से, जल्दी जल्दी करो उसको. हम सुनना चाहते हैं, अब कैसे करें, क्या करें. तो सारा आपकी एडवाइस पे ही चलते हैं भैया. I hope you get lots of presents from Papa and Mama and enjoy your day. You go outside and get pizza for yourself. Next time you come to India, please don't miss out meeting us. And hopefully sometime we can come there and see you again. Happy birthday once again.
जियू, ये घड़ी महंगी है, तेरा बाप लेके देगा. हैप्पी बर्थडे बेबी, लव यू सो मच, लव ऑल योर वीडियोज. प्लीज कीप मेकिंग देम मोर एंड मोर एंड मोर एंड मोर एंड मोर. एंड यू सुपर 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 क्यूट. अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, बाप. Happy birthday Bubbles. I cannot believe you have turned 3 years old. It feels like yesterday I saw you for the first time in the hospital when you held my hand with your tiny little hand. My pyari, bro, I really love you, Janu, and I really miss you and I hope I see you soon. So August 1st was already a very important day for me, but now that 2 most important people in my life share their birthdays, it's even more important day. So again, a very very happy birthday, my godson. Mwah.
Hey Ziyan, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Hope you enjoy the day.
कैसे हैं भाइयों और बहनों, आज करेंगे मन की बात. पहचाना? हैप्पी बर्थडे जियान, कैसे हो आप? चंगा? हैप्पी बर्थडे जियान, मामा लव्स यू. ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज कीप मेकिंग योर वीडियोस. हम आपके बहुत बड़े फैन हैं. मैं तेरा हाय रे जबरा हुई रे जबरा फैन हो गया. आप ऑलवेज खुश रहो एंड मम्मी पापा को तंग करो अच्छे से. यू आर अ वेरी स्मार्ट बॉय and everyone loves you. Okay, so happy birthday and keep smiling, keep making videos, and mama will take a dance class soon with Kamna. Yeah, bye Ziyan, love you.
Hi Ziyan, wish you a very very happy birthday dear. I know you really wanted to come to India, but because of this virus you could not come, but it's totally fine. You can still have a great amazing day with your parents in the US. And I know you love Ponish Verma's songs, so I hope you dance on those songs, your favorite songs, and enjoy your day. Lots of love from India. You're really adorable. I really wish to meet you whenever you are here in India. God bless you. Bye.
जियान, गॉड ब्लेस यू छोटे बाजी. ध्यान रख अपना, और जो तू यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस बनाता ना वो बहुत सी लगती है. बनाता रहे.
Happy birthday Ziyan. God bless you with the best things in life. I wish you lots of cake and strawberry milkshake. And आप अपने वीडियोस बनाते रहो, हमें बहुत मजे आते हैं देखने में. And I hope I see you sometime soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to our little Prince Charming, Ziyan. Loads of love.
Hi Ziyan, happy birthday. आप जो वीडियोस बनाते हो वधिया बनाते हो, सारी देखती हूँ मैं, आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैन। हैप्पी बर्थडे। ओह चंगा फिर।
Wishing you a very 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 happy birthday Zian. God bless you. Keep smiling and stay safe. Love you.
Happy birthday Zian cutie. You're very adorable. अगली मन की बात कब करोगे भाई? I'm glad I got to spend time with you in India and I hope I get to see you very soon. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Zian. We love so much on your videos. Keep rocking.
Happy birthday, Zian. Happy birthday.
A very happy birthday, Zihan. Lots and lots of love from us. You guys have done a fabulous job by making this channel the Upbeat Family, because it is for us like meeting you every day and seeing what Zian is doing, how he's growing up. So for me, it's like I just keep on waiting for the link that you shared with us, that you've uploaded a new video. So fabulous job, Shivangi and Karan. Keep doing that. And for Zian, Modi ji, आपकी बातें तो हम मोदी जी से भी ज़्यादा सुनते हैं. We love the way you entertain us. Dialogue delivery super rockstar. Keep on doing this and love you so much. Lots of blessings. Love you.
Hi Zihan, wish you a very happy birthday from your Saurav uncle. I hope you're having a great time and your mom and dad making you worth of it. Have a blast baby. Happy birthday once again. Take care.
Happy birthday, Zian. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zian. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Zian. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zian. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations, Shivangi and Karan. बेबी आज बहुत एंजॉय करना अपने बर्थडे पर. Keep rocking. I love you.
Hi Zian. Many happy return of the day. Happy birthday to you.
Hello Jian. Many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed and happy.
Hi beta, happy birthday Jian.
Hello Zian, a very happy birthday to you baby, and I really wish that you grow like a star, you shine like a star. I really wish you good luck for your future, for your health. My babies Harsh and Manya, you both love you a lot. They used to watch your videos most of the time. They really love your eyes sparkle. They really love your cheeks and the way you talk. Love you very much. Take care. God bless you, बच्चा.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता डब्लू डब्लू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे जियान. गॉड ब्लेस यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू. लिव लॉन्ग लाइफ.
Happy birthday Zian. Love you.
Happy birthday Zian. I hope we meet soon and I wish you very happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Once again, wish you a very happy birthday, and we'll be waiting for the videos of your birthday and how you celebrated. What were your expressions when you saw the gifts that were sent to you from us, although we did not send you, your mom dad ordered. So just we'll be waiting. Enjoy and have lots and lots of fun on your birthday. Love you so much. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. God bless you and enjoy. Bye. See you soon in America.
So since the video was turning out to be so long, I've decided that I'll show you guys what we did for Zian's birthday in the next video. And also we had a very special guest that we invited in order to make it fun for Zian. So stay tuned. We will see you guys in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye.